here at the mill. I'm trading some lodgepole for some beams, and the beams are going in a sign up at Resort. So we're going to unload the lodgepole and then throw the beams on. I made it back from Flagstaff with my beams. I'm going to be notching them out today. These two beams over here are going to be my uprights, and the two on my Bobcat are the horizontals. So I'm going to go ahead and start working them over with the chainsaw. I'm going to start by squaring these up. And then I'm going to come back, do all my math, figure out where my header beam's going to set. And I've got to have a 4x8 opening for the sawn. Square. Don't need that. Okay, I got my first notch done. Now we're going to do this one. 10 by 10. It's right in there. Snug. So that right there is the saddle that my bottom log is actually going to set in, and then I'm going to notch my header log over there on the Bobcat, and it goes over the top of these two logs right here. So a little more chainsaw work and we'll be ready to bolt this thing together. I'm thinking 1 foot overhang on my header is going to be sufficient. It'll look pretty cool. So I need to factor in my notches, get it marked out and notched, and then I can put this thing together. On one of these squares are kind of cool because if you look right here, it's got the 2-inch mark. I'm making a 2-inch notch so I can put my pencil right in there. Just slide it, 2.5. It's 1/2 inch increments, but just for your information, it makes it pretty easy to mark my horizontal line. Well, I made a mistake on this. Dang it! I went 12 inches instead of 10 on my notches, thinking 1 foot, because these are 10 by 10s. I usually use 12 by 12, so I'm gonna have to piece a little bit in there. I don't think anyone will know the difference, but I will. See right there, that notch should have been 10 inches instead of 12. That one's 10. These are 10. So I've got to put a piece back in there. I think I can take a piece of the end cut, cut this on my chop saw, clean that up, liquid nail it in there. It's going to get a pretty heavy stain, so no one will know. This is one of those mistakes that should have never been made, but I was in a hurry and I just didn't double check my measurements, so now I got to fix it. Want to be generous with the liquid nail, because over time that could be a piece that falls out. We don't want that. You can see I got a lot of liquid nail on there. Can't have too much liquid nail. Got some 6-inch ollies. Let's suck this down. It's not as good as new, but almost as good as new. There we go. I've got all my logs notched. We're ready to go together. There she is, got her put together. Got the sign dry fit. It fits pretty dang good. Jesse's over here making the metal banding for me. I'm gonna tear it back apart tonight, lift it back up on the forklift, because I need to treat the bottoms. Okay, I'm gonna treat the bottom of these beams with the green treat. It's copper chromate and arsenic, and then I'll tar them after that. So got to get all the sawdust off there first. So my green treat's cured now. I'm going to put the tar on, and I like to save my old finish brushes. I put them in a bag because they go stiff, but for doing this tar, the stiff brush works even better. So I like to reclaim as much as I can. So that heavy metal plastic over the asphalt emulsion and the green treat really helps preserve these beams. There's the sign with all the brackets on it. We're going to lift it with the skid steer and the forklift, and then back a trailer under it. Got the sign loaded. All right, we're here on location getting ready to put this sign in for this little resort. I've got this sign on some rollers, some logs, some round logs. I'm hoping to just back into my holes. All right, as luck would have it, first auger full of dirt, I see PVC. The resort owner came and showed me where to dig. here we are. We got the sign up. We got the plumbers fixing the hole. Mike has found a new career. He's a plumber now. There she is, pretty as can be.